Okay, here you have it. We got the steak, the garlic butter steak and shrimp ramen noodles. We took a leftover and made it to there are no leftovers with this dish.
Hey, 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 it's Debo with the recipe, Debo with the how, Debo taking trips, and it's on, a Debo with the how. Yo, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and thanks for watching Debo with the vlogs.
What's up, YouTube? This is a late night video. This is after church on a Sunday. I can't remember what Sunday it is, but I'm gonna make me some shrimp and steak, garlic butter shrimp and steak, ramen noodles. You wanna know where I got the shrimp from? It's one of my favorite stores to shop lately. If you've been watching my previous vlogs, you should know what store I go to all the time. And it was on sale, so you already know. I'm taking some steak that my dad grilled a day ago. It's been in the fridge. I hit me a piece, cause if you don't have food around here, you guys, it will be eaten up. So let's get into it. I cut the steak up. Shrimp is already cooked basically, but I'm gonna just season it up and put my noodles in it. Let me show you how it looks. Let's get to it. I got my steak right here. As you can see, I like my steak well done, but the shrimp's underneath. I like it right now, some butter and a little bit of oil in this pan. What I'm gonna add to it, some seasonings, but I'm gonna go ahead and dump this in there. Yeah, I think I put too much shrimp, but hey, got my shrimp and stuff. You see it? I got this right here, garlic powder. This big container came from either Ollie's. I like garlic a lot, so. And for color, you already know this is for color. You already know, but this is for color, parsley. And it also makes it look good. I'm gonna let this cook for a minute. I might need to add some pepper, but we're gonna make this cook. If you wanna add another ingredient, another seasonings, just add some Old Bay. I have some smoked Old Bay or something, but I'm not gonna find it, but this is what it's gonna be. Shrimp, garlic butter, shrimp and steak, ramen noodles. Don't that look good? You'll see when it get done.
Meanwhile.
Okay, I just took all that out and left my garlic butter sauce in there. Get you some ramen noodles. Don't get you that other brand. If you're gonna use some other, I ain't take the seasoning pack out. You see how I caught it? I didn't have to do like my brother do and just fish it out with my hand. But like I said, if you're gonna use any other brand, there's just a seasoning pack that come with it. Use some water. Throw that up there with it. You don't need that much. You want to just cook the noodles. You don't want them to be mushy. You don't nobody want no mushy noodles. And you cut the eye back on, let that cook. You know when they're done is when the liquid evaporates. There's almost little to no liquid. That's when they're done. And you're going to add the seasoning pack that came with the noodles. So this pack right here. Go ahead and add it. Go ahead and add it. You guys, I forgot to add some minced garlic while I was cooking the shrimp and steak, but go ahead and add that in there too. Go ahead and add this in there too. Well, you can add it to your noodles while they're cooking. Don't matter. But this is a eccentric. You can get this from Dollar Tree as well. Everything you see besides that steak and shrimp came from, well, in the noodles. Well, just the only thing you will see that's from Dollar Tree. It's minced garlic. Okay, you see how they ain't no liquid in the pot, Holly? That's what you want right there. You don't want them, what you call it? You don't want them mushy. That's what you don't want. I can tell you what you do want. Just like this. Got this wooden spoon trying to pick up noodles. But yeah, you see that? That parsley. Just dump on top of your noodles to warm that food right back up.
Eventually.
Okay, here you have it. We got the steak, the garlic butter steak and shrimp ramen noodles. We took a leftover and made it to there are no leftovers with this dish. Something cheap, inexpensive, by just using your leftovers. We let no food go to waste over here. Look, you see that? Shrimp. Let me get a close up. It's on Debo with the vlogs. How the song goes? Debo with the recipes. Debo with the hauls. Debo taking trips. And it's Debo with the vlog. This is right here, you guys. I'm gonna try it for you guys to see. Hey, you guys. I'm gonna try it out right now. Let's see. I'm gonna get a piece of shrimp, some steak, and some noodles. I got it. See? I got it. piece of steak in here too. It's a piece of fat. Let me get it. The fat be the best part. What y'all know about that? The steak, the fat be the best part. You can see right here. Let me get a bite. Ooh, the smell of garlic. Ooh. If y'all can smell the aroma and taste this food right now. Over here, we have no leftover. Someone's taking a dish, a leftover, and it turned to a whole nother dish in this household. We waste no food over here. The steak from the grill gives it a smoky flavor, but also a char. And then the shrimp, the garlic butter shrimp. Ooh, tastes like I'm eating fine dine, but at home. Y'all should give this a try. Comment down below if you would try this recipe. This garlic butter shrimp and steak ramen noodles. Or you can just comment down a recipe that you made by using your leftovers. It could be anything, something simple, like this was. Give me a cold Baja Blast Mountain Dew.
Hey, it's Debo with the recipe, Debo with the how. Debo's taking trips and it's on. A Debo with the how. Hey, one more time. It's Debo with the recipe, Debo with the how. Debo's taking trips and it's on. I said it's on. Debo with the how. A Debo with the how. A Debo with the how. Debo with the love, Debo with the love.